Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to fix Chatgpt not available in your country. If you are using Chatgpt online, you will see this. The reason is Chatgpt is not supported in your country. You will be not allowed to use Chatgpt. So how you can fix this? To bypass the regional restriction, you can use a VPN. However, the ChatGPT issue is not so simple. If you have a friend from a supported country, you can ask him or her for help. If not, you can buy a phone number online. If ChatGPT is not available in your country, you will need to contact ChatGPT support for help. Click on the online chatbot, send a message about the problem and wait for the technical support to give you an advice and solve the problem. And that's all. Thank you for watching.